1. The capital of Australia is Canberra, not Sydney. 2. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 3. George Washington was the first President of the United States. 4. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. 5. Bitcoin was created by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. 6. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert light into energy. 7. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets. 8. The speed of light is approximately 299,792 km per second in a vacuum. 9. A group of crows is called a murder. 10. Beethoven became deaf later in his life but continued to compose music. 11. The currency of Japan is the yen. 12. The Earth's core is primarily composed of iron and nickel. 13. The Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. 14. Cleopatra was actually Greek, not Egyptian. 15. Your skin sheds about 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every minute. 16. The square root of 81 is 9. 17. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. 18. Ernest Hemingway wrote, The Old Man and the Sea. 19. An adult human has 206 bones. 20. E is the most commonly used letter in the English language. 21. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. 22. Polar bears have black skin. 23. Neptune was the first planet to be discovered through mathematical predictions. 24. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the Moon with the naked eye. 25. Humans and giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae, 7. 26. Basketball was invented by Dr. James Naismith. 27. A leap year occurs every 4 years, except for years divisible by 100 but not divisible by 400. 28. Pangaea was a supercontinent that existed during the late Paleozoic and early Mesozoic eras. 29. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. 30. Amazon.com was originally called Cadabra. 31. A googol is 1 followed by 100 zeros. 32. In Morse code, SOS doesn't stand for Save Our Souls. It was just an easy sequence to remember. 33. Oxygen makes up around 21% of Earth's atmosphere. 34. There are 50 states in the United States. 35. Anne Frank's diary was published under the name, The Diary of a Young Girl. 36. A light year is a measure of distance, not time. 37. Mount Everest is the highest peak above sea level, but Mauna Kea is the tallest mountain from base to peak. 38. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. 39. Harriet Tubman was a conductor on the Underground Railroad. 40. In chess, the queen can move in any direction for any number of squares. 41. The sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. 42. A palindrome is a word that reads the same forwards and backwards, like race car. 43. Caffeine is the most widely consumed psychoactive substance in the world. 44. The Sistine Chapel ceiling was painted by Michelangelo. 45. Honey never spoils. 46. The Nile River is generally considered the longest river in the world. 47. The symbol for gold on the periodic table is O. 48. A nanometer is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. 49. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer due to the heat. 50. An octogenarian is someone in their 80s. 51. The first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in 1971. 52. Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. 53. The color orange was named after the fruit. 54. Uncopyrightable is the longest English word that can be written without repeating any letters. 55. The Dead Sea is actually a salt lake. 56. The average lifespan of a red blood cell is 120 days. 57. The term laser stands for Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. 58. Only female mosquitoes bite. 59. The Internet was originally developed as a project by the United States Department of Defense. 60. In 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the Moon. 61. There are 24 hours in a day because the ancient Egyptians used a base 12 numbering system. 62. The deepest point in the Earth's ocean is the Mariana Trench. 63. The musical, Hamilton, was created by Lin-Manuel Miranda. 64. The Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, 150 million kilometers. 65. Avocado is a fruit, not a vegetable. 66. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar surrendered after 38 minutes. 67. 1 light-year is about 5.88 trillion miles, 9.46 trillion kilometers. 68. Sesquipedalophobia is the fear of long words. 69. Van Gogh only sold 1 painting during his lifetime. 70. Penguins are birds, not mammals. 71. The average human has about 100,000 hairs on their scalp. 72. A decade is a period of 10 years. 73. The Great Fire of London occurred in 1666. 74. There are 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. 75. The largest mammal is the blue whale. 76. The full name of Los Angeles is, El Pueblo de Nuestra Señora la Reina de Los Ángeles del Río Porciúncula. 77. The opposite sides of a standard 6-sided die always add up to 7. 78. The primary colors in additive color mixing, like in TVs and monitors, are red, green, and blue. 79. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. 80. Sushi refers to the vinegared rice, not the fish. 81. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. 82. In English, the word alphabet comes from the first 2 letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. 83. Pi is an irrational number, meaning it cannot be expressed as a simple fraction. 84. Marie Curie was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. 85. Goldfish have a memory span of several months, contrary to popular belief. 86. A chef's hat has 100 folds, representing the 100 ways to cook an egg. 87. Human blood is actually a type of connective tissue. 88. The Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. 89. Almonds are members of the peach family. 90. Galileo Galilei was tried by the Catholic Church for heresy. 91. The sum of the angles in a square is 360 degrees. 92. The 4 largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, are known as the gas giants. 93. Pluto was reclassified from a planet to a dwarf planet in 2006. 94. Alexander Graham Bell is often credited with inventing the telephone. However, Antonio Meucci invented the first basic phone in 1849. Almost 30 years ahead of Bell's patent in 1876. 95. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. 96. Your fingernails grow faster than your toenails. 97. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. 98. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France to the United States. 99. The Guinness World Record for the longest hiccuping spree is 68 years. 100. The 5 human senses are sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell.